Hello, everybody, and welcome to this presentation. My name is JC Rangel, and this presentation is specifically for the real estate professionals. There seems to be a lot of misconceptions when it comes to solar from the real estate industry professionals, so that's what this video is about. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So innovation for solar and for real estate professionals. So here's some common misconceptions by realtors that we've got. First of all, solar puts a lien on my property. That is false, at least not with our company. There's some old loans, the Hero program, the PACE program that would put a lien on your property. You couldn't sell, you couldn't refinance unless you paid off the solar. I'm here to tell you that that's not the case. The loans that we put are unsecured loans like a credit card, and it's not a lien on the property. So that's a very big deal. You cannot refinance or sell your home unless the solar's paid off. Again, that was the case with the Hero loans. We do not offer Hero loans. Okay, so that is false. You don't have to worry about that. The loan simply gets transferred to somebody else, to the new homeowner, and you can refinance without any problems. I don't want to sell solar. A lot of real estate professionals do not want to sell solar. Well, I'm here to tell you, you do not have to. Our system is a very simple system. You go out and you simply enter the lead, and one of our solar professionals contacts your lead, schedules the appointment, presents a solar savings report, closes a deal, and you either get paid a $1,000 referral or you get half of the commission. That's whether you want to be an ambassador or whether you want to be registered as a consultant. I'll show you the differences between those two. This is going to affect my debt to income ratio, my DTI. False. Well, we have a loan. We have a bank that offers a 25-year loan, which is the most common length of a solar loan is 25 years with a 0.99 interest rate. That does not affect the DTI. It doesn't even show up on the credit. Now, don't get me wrong. If the client goes out there and defaults, then it is going to affect the credit, right? If they default for a few months, it's going to become a collection on the credit. But it doesn't even show up. So I've got investors, people that tell me, hey, man, I'm buying 4 units next year. I don't need the debt. Guess what? I've got a loan for you. That is a very big deal. And that didn't exist just a few short years ago. Now, imagine adding an additional $30,000 to $100,000 per year to your income. That is absolutely possible because here's the deal. 80% of your customers are going to go solar anyways in the next decade. If 80% of your customers are going to go solar in the next decade, why not you be the one with your own solar division right now that I'll show you how you can get started without having to sell solar? Why not it be you that makes that extra $30,000 to $100,000 or more? We've got some agents that make an extra $250,000 a year, right? Because they have a system to sell to their existing customers and to their old customers. Okay. So I don't want to sell solar. Again, you don't have to. So here's a typical conversation that a real estate professional has that partners up with us. Mr. Customer, I'm going to have John Doe from our solar division contact you to show you your solar savings report. You simply introduce them to somebody from your quote unquote solar division, because guess what? This is your solar division. The sales rep will contact, set the appointment, close the deal, and guess what? You get paid 50% of the commission, and you've got 2 steps. You enter the lead, you tag the mentor, the sales professional. That sales professional does step 3, which they'll close the deal. And then when it's time to get paid, you get paid either 50% or $1,000 referral fee, which again, I'm going to get into the differences between the two. Okay. So here's what we can do for the customer. Okay, what kind of things can we do for the customer? I'm in California. I'm doing some California examples. Let's say the customer's bill is an average of $250 per month. Some months he pays $150. Some months he pays $350, but his average month in this scenario is $250, which is here in California, that's very, very common. That means that he's paying $3,000 per year on average. We can go ahead and get him to cut that payment in half. We go from $250 to $125 per month on average, making it a flat, sustainable $125 payment. So we're saving a $125 per month or $1,500 per year. Not to mention that utility companies are going to increase anywhere from 5 to 10% every year. So that means that your customer, by going solar, is actually saving more money Every year that goes by, they're saving more and more money. And guess what? We did that with zero out of pocket. We could do that with a 600 FICO score. The ideal FICO score is 640, but we could even do it with a 600 FICO score. It's a fixed monthly payment that doesn't go up. Now, we offer purchases is mainly what we offer, but guess what? We offer the leases and the PPAs, if you're familiar with that, but we tend to push the purchase. There's a 26% tax credit that they get by going solar for zero out of pocket. The average in California, these numbers are for California, 6 to 10 years is a break even. Think about this. Whatever the solar system cost them, minus a 26% tax credit, okay? That is a net system cost. You take what they're paying on average. Let's say, for example, the customer is paying $250 per month, okay? That means he's paying $3,000 per year, okay? So if that's what they're paying per year, well, guess what? Their net system cost, okay, compared to what they were paying per year, if you divide the two, in California, they're going to pay their utility company in 6 to 10 years what their net system cost is here. Remember, their financing minus a tax credit, whatever that number is, okay, the break even is 6 to 10 years. So when a customer sees that, they say, why wouldn't I go solar? If I'm going to pay this much money to Edison or PG&E or LADWP or whoever the utility company is, if I'm going to pay them this much money anyways in the next 7.5 years, why not just buy solar and save some money right now, increase the value of my house? It's zero out of pocket. It's a bill that I have always had. It's a bill that I will always have. And I'm automatically saving 50%. In other words, it's a no-brainer. We also give your customer a 30-year warranty on your roof, on your parts, and your labor with no deductible through a AAA rated insurance company called Solar Insure. It's a $10 billion company out of Costa Mesa, California. This, by the way, warranty, if you've heard of companies like Vivint, if you've heard of companies like Sunrun, if you've heard of companies like Tesla, right? Which Tesla's solar division is terrible, but that's another point. If you've heard of these companies, guess what? They do not offer this warranty. Semper Solar is another big company, good company. They do not offer. We offer the absolute best warranty, the top of the line panels, like panels you may have heard of, Panasonic, LG, Q-Cells, Mission, all of the top brands we offer. So we offer them the best brands for the best pricing with the best warranties. In other words, it's a no-brainer. And the beautiful thing is when you get your 50% commission, the company pays you that commission directly. You do not have to rely on the solar professional to be professional, right? And to pay you that commission. The company pays you that commission directly to you, right? So you don't have to be chasing anybody for your referral fees. That's not how we work here. So who we are is what we're talking about. We're going to talk about our economic model, our solutions, and also how to be a part of this, how to have your own solar division or your own solar brokerage, okay? So we're going to talk about the 70-30 split. With Powur, we actually get wholesale pricing. We get wholesale pricing on all of the goods, the panels, the inverters, the construction, the warranties. Whatever we sell above wholesale is the commissionable dollar amount. We keep 70% of what we sell above wholesale. So let me give you an example. Let's say you enter a lead, and let's say, for example, I'm the solar pro on that lead, that I'm going to close the deal. We're going to go 50-50. Our cost, let's say, for example, is $20,000. That's our wholesale pricing. But I sell it for 30. That means that there's a $10,000 spread. That means that there's a commission to you and I of $7,000. We each get $3,500. Not too shabby for entering the lead. And guess what? That customer was probably going to go solar anyways. Why not go solar with a company that you recommend with your own solar division? So here's the way the mentor program works. $7,000, as we mentioned, the mentor gets $3,500, the mentee gets $3,500. Very simple. The company pays you your portion, they pay me my portion, very simple. So what if you went out there and you referred a couple of clients? Well, if you referred 3 clients through our portal, through your back office, right, at an average of $3,500 each, that's $10,500 in commissions. You did not have to present. All you had to do is gather a little bit of basic information, refer them to us. We contact them, make the sale, give them a great deal, and you just made $3,500 to $4,000 per client, okay? Now, let's talk about on a yearly basis. What if on a yearly basis you help 12 clients? You refer 12 clients through our platform, right? Nationwide, by the way, We're in 19 states as of this recording. Okay. 12 clients at $3,500 each. That's an extra $42,000 in commissions for that year for simply referring a couple of people, probably 10 hours worth of work at most, $42,000. That's one client a month. Now, what if you're a little bit more ambitious and you refer double that? What if you refer some of your old customers, some of your new customers for a total of 24 clients? Well, my friend, that's an extra $84,000 in commissions per year. That's not too shabby. So now you're getting an idea of the way this works. But here's the deal. Remember, 80% of your customers are going to go solar anyways in the next decade. So if they're going to go solar anyway, someone's going to financially benefit from this. Why not it be you, right? Not to mention that the second sale is always easier than the first sale. So let me ask you this. Do you know of any other professionals that may also have homeowners as clients as well? Do you know other solar pros? How about lenders? How about tax preparers, roofers, right? Maybe some of your colleagues even from your office. Well, guess what? The good thing is that you are your own solar broker day one. What this means is that if you refer them to the Powur platform, you get to override their sales 6 levels deep. So any sales that they make, and they use a mentor, a solar professional, close their sales just like you're not involved in it. You refer them one time. You actually get paid a 20% override on anything that they do. And you get paid other percentages 6 levels deep. So let's dive into that. And we're going to be done here quickly. The company's 30% is an average of $3,000 usually. Okay. That means, and they pay half of it in the 6-level rev share program. So the same example with you, 20,000 was our wholesale price. We sold it for 30. That means that there's a difference of 10,000. 7,000 goes to us. The company keeps 3. But out of their 3, they don't keep those 3. 20% of the 3,000 goes to you. So remember, imagine you referred Mike. Mike made a sale. He made $3,500. The closer made $3,500. You made a $600 commission, 20% of whatever Powur keeps. So if Powur feels a bigger deal, Powur kept 5,000, then your override would be 20% of 5,000. It'd be $1,000 override, and you did nothing for that deal. What if that person goes out there and does like you? They refer a couple of folks. Well, level 2, you make 10%. Anybody that Mike refers, you make 10%. In this scenario, it's an average of $300. Level 3 is 5%. Level 4, 5, and 6 are also 5%. We're talking about 6 levels of revenue share are paid. So the question is, do you know some people that, like you, have customers that are also homeowners? And guess what? If they do, their customers are going to go solar. If you look around, drive around your neighborhood, okay, you start to see more and more homes with solar, more and more homes with solar. It's a future. Electric vehicles and glass on roofs is our future, whether we like it or acknowledge it or not. Guess what? It might as well be you that gets paid on it. So let me give an example. This is a simple hypothetical example. What if you went out there and referred 10 people, 10 real estate professionals like yourself, or a combination of people? And if those 10, they didn't refer 10 like you, they only referred 2. So you referred 10, that referred 2, that's 20 on level 2. And if that duplicated 6 levels deep, those 20 referred 2, that's 40. And so on and so forth, 6 levels deep. And if all of these people made one sale, one referral, okay, one referral per month, your override income on the 6 levels of pay would be $1.2 million. Not too shabby. Again, my friends, this is not a claim of income. This is not a guarantee of income. This is an example of what is possible. There currently are people with Powur that are making this kind of money. Now, granted, they are not people that are simply just referring business here and there. What I'm talking about is the potential. Do you know some people that have clients that are homeowners? Well, here's some potential. Okay. So to finish, there's other things in the compensation plan that I'm not going to get into because I want to wrap this up. This is meant to be a simple presentation of the Powur overview. So we're not going to get into that many details, but we're going to finish off with this. The Powur equity plan, we are going public. And some of you guys may be from eXp Realty. And if you're not from eXp Realty, you've probably heard of eXp Realty. Now, whether you like eXp Realty or not, there's no debate that it's had some tremendous results. We are the equivalent of the eXp Realty model. We basically copied it to the T, but we are like eXp Realty back in 2010 before they were public. We are going public in the next 18 to 24 months. If you look at our trajectory, our sales, our growth compared to them when they were 2 years old, we are smoking those numbers. Not only that, renewable energy is a tremendous boom right now. So in my opinion, the options in Powur are significant. I know some eXp real estate agents that are currently worth over $250 million because of the equity shares. We have that opportunity as well. So your very first install, you get 25 options. If you refer somebody that gets an install as well, you get 12 options. If you have 25 installs in a year, you get an additional 250 options. And then if you have 50 installs, you get 1,250 options. Plus, you get discounted options when Powur goes public. If you decide to buy options, because if you're a consultant, guess what? You get to buy these options. So earlier I mentioned that you've got two options. You could earn $1,000 per referral. That's free. You become an ambassador. Whoever sent you this video sends you a link. You sign up for free. We don't ask for any credit card information. You refer the leads to the platform. You tag the closer, the solar professional. They close the sale. You earn $1,000 after installation. Very easy. Option two, you could become a consultant with Powur. The consultant with Powur keeps half of the commission for doing the exact same thing. However, there's got to be a catch. There sure is. There's a one-time $99 setup fee, and there's a $49 back office fee. So you're looking at $148 month one, then after that is $49 a month. But it's $49 a month to have your own solar division, to have your own solar brokerage. Now you have the opportunity to not only have the commission, but to get paid the 6th level of overrides, to earn the stock options and everything else that comes with Powur. So the option is yours. Most agents go with the $49 a month. They become a consultant. They're like, hey, I need the tax write-offs anyways. I want half of the commission. It just makes sense. Or you may want to start off as an ambassador for free. Put 1 or 2 deals through, test it out, and if you like it, go ahead and upgrade to become a consultant. So with that being said, all of the training is included, okay? This is our national footprint. These are all of the states that we're in. What I would recommend that you do right now is contact the person that shared this with you, that shared this video with you. Let them answer your questions, okay? Let them show you how to get onboarded. Let's enter a couple leads into the system. Let us show you what we can do for you and your customers. And with that being said, I'll see you guys at the top or from the top. Take care.